Hi, I'm Shefali Sharma and I'm in my final year in Arch College of Design and Business. So my biggest takeaway was that when I came in this college, I was really not confident at all. Like right now I'm speaking. So I know that in my 4 years of studies here, I'm really confident in what I'm doing right now. And in those 2 years of lockdown, what college helped me that they used to really taught us well in the online sessions that we attended. In that span of time also, we attended some workshops, seminars that really helped us to understand that what we are doing and what we are learning. After my final year, I'm going for a master's in management and fashion. So Arch also has very good infrastructure, and the teaching faculty was very helpful towards us, and they really helped us through our 4 years of studies here. Thank you.